Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and home appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the Ecovacs DEEBOT T20 Omni robot vacuum and mop. Now, this isn't your average vacuum cleaner. It's packed with features that promise to make your cleaning routine a breeze. So, let's jump right in and see if it lives up to the hype. Alright folks, let's kick things off by talking about the design and features of the Ecovacs DEEBOT T20 Omni. This sleek and futuristic-looking robot vacuum comes in a white and silver colorway, adding a touch of elegance to your home. One thing that sets it apart from other models is its large self-emptying charging station, which not only charges the vacuum but also contains 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks for mopping. Plus, it has 2 side brushes and a single brush roll, ensuring thorough cleaning. But what caught our attention is its unique hot water mop pad washing feature. Instead of using a single pad, the DEEBOT T20 Omni comes with 2 circular pads that rotate and apply downward pressure, ensuring a deep and effective clean. And the best part? The charging station automatically cleans the mop pads, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Now, let's talk performance. The DEEBOT T20 Omni impressed us with its excellent vacuuming and mopping capabilities. It effortlessly tackled dirt, debris, and even pet hair, leaving our floors sparkling clean. Plus, its intuitive app allows you to customize cleaning settings, adjust mop pad wetness, and even schedule cleaning sessions with ease. Speaking of the app, one of our favorite features is its mapping capabilities. The vacuum intelligently divides your space into rooms, making it easy to target specific areas for cleaning. With support for voice assistants like Alexa and Google, you can control the vacuum hands-free, adding to its convenience factor. Now, let's talk battery life. The DEEBOT T20 Omni boasts an impressive 190 minutes of runtime, ensuring thorough cleaning sessions without interruptions. And thanks to its regular recharging feature, you can trust that it'll always be ready to tackle any mess. Whether it's vacuuming or mopping, this robot has you covered. So, should you invest in the Ecovacs DEEBOT T20 Omni? Well, if you're looking for stellar mopping performance, hands-free convenience, and hassle-free mapping, then this might just be the perfect addition to your home. Sure, it comes with a hefty price tag, but considering its top-notch features and performance, we think it's worth every penny. And that wraps up our review of the Ecovacs DEEBOT T20 Omni. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy cleaning. Thanks for watching.